Amidst the excitement of embracing a new phone, some users encounter unexpected challenges. One of the most common issues faced by those making the switch is the frustration of switched from iPhone to Android not receiving texts afterward. If you are in this predicament, fear not. This guide is designed to assist you in resolving the perplexing problem with 15 possible fixes. Part 1. Switched from iPhone to Android. Not receiving texts. 15 tricks. Trick 1. Resend the text messages. Trick 2. Disable message. Trick 3. Configure the default SIM card. Trick 4. Check the cellular connection. Trick 5. Inspect SMS spam. Trick 6. Toggle off airplane mode. Trick 7. Unblock the iPhone phone number. Trick 8. Turn off RCS. Trick 9. The texting app updated. Trick 10. Clear the texting app cache. Trick 11. Switch off power saving mode. Trick 12. Reset network settings. Trick 13. Update Android operating system. Trick 14. Restart both smartphones. Trick 15. Contact your carrier.